It's Frosty Friday. That means this Ice Queen brings you a different ice wine cocktail every Friday, all winter long. Today, we need to get ready for Valentine's Day. We're going to make an Icewine Kiss. So start off with a glamorous glass. Let's rim the top of it. Let's get it wet with some lime. On the plate here, I have 2 teaspoons of two teaspoons of sugar with half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's get that glass ready. Gorgeous. Now, my cocktail shaker is already charged with ice. Let's put in, once I get it open, 1 ounce of Fireball, cinnamon Fireball. Yum! Let's put in 2 ounces of a red ice wine. This is the Wisteria Tree Cabernet Franc ice wine, which was just awarded 92 points by Natalie McLean in Ottawa, Ontario. Thank you, Natalie. And half an ounce of some fresh local apple cider. Whee! In it goes. All right, put the cocktail shaker on. Let's shake. My favorite part. Not too long, don't dilute that ice. Carefully put it into your glass with not too much of that melted ice in there. Perfect. Let's make it a little bit more adult, a little bit more ready for Valentine's as well. Some fresh nutmeg just cracked on top of there. It will just kick up the aromas like you wouldn't believe as well. And that, my friends, is an Icewine Kiss.